A NASA satellite that spent 16 years studying the sun in space suddenly started falling back to Earth. Scientists knew it was coming, but they couldn't predict exactly where it would land. Would it burn up in the atmosphere, or could pieces actually reach the ground? This is the dramatic story of RHESSI, one of NASA's most fascinating space missions. Back in 2002, NASA launched a satellite called RHESSI. Its mission was to study the most violent explosions on the sun, known as solar flare. And these explosions are no joke. Solar flares can release more energy than millions of nuclear bombs. They can also disrupt satellites' GPS systems radio communications, even power grids on Earth. RHESSI was designed to observe these powerful events by detecting X-rays and gamma rays coming directly from the sun. RHESSI worked far longer than scientists expected. For over 16 years, it orbited Earth and sent back incredible data. During its mission, RHESSI helped scientists capture the first detailed images of gamma rays from solar flares, discovered tiny explosions on the sun called microflares, better understand why the sun's outer atmosphere is millions of degrees hotter than its surface. It became one of the most important missions for studying solar physics. But eventually, every satellite reaches the end of its life. In 2018, RHESSI stopped operating. It remained in low Earth orbit, slowly circling the planet. But over time, something unavoidable began to happen. Earth's atmosphere created drag. Little by little, the satellite's orbit dropped lower and lower, until finally, NASA announced that RHESSI would re-enter Earth's atmosphere. The big problem? Scientists could not predict exactly where it would fall. When satellites re-enter Earth's atmosphere, they travel at speeds of nearly 27,000 kilometers per hour. At that speed, friction with the air creates extreme heat. The spacecraft literally turns into a ball of fire. Most of RHESSI burned up during re-entry. A few small pieces may have survived, but they most likely fell into the ocean, since most of the Earth's surface is water. Fortunately, no damage or injuries were reported. Even though the satellite is gone, its discoveries are still shaping science today. RHESSI helps scientists understand how solar explosions work, how space weather affects Earth, and how powerful the sun truly is. Sometimes a mission ends, but the knowledge it leaves behind continues for decades. But here's something even more interesting. There are thousands of old satellites and pieces of space junk orbiting Earth right now, and some of them will eventually fall back to the planet. The real question is, what happens when a much larger object re-enters Earth's atmosphere?